welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting with the first video of Christmas series. I haven't thought of how many videos I want to do this time. So this is the first video that we're doing is Christmas baubles, which is the hot cocoa balls which are making which are actually a lot in trend right now. But we have thought of doing things differently. Two flavors we'll be doing in the spherical mold, and we'll do in the heart pinata. What is it called?
Geo Heart.
Sorry, Geo Heart mold. So we are going to start with the first flavor which we're doing is Ferrero Rocher hazelnut, and it's going to turn out really delicious because it is going to have Nutella, Ferrero Rocher, cocoa powder, chocolate, and not to forget our icing sugar. So I think we'll just start with it and show you how to do it. So guys, I have my dark compound from Van Houten melted here, and it is not hot. It is on room temperature and it's all liquid. As you can see, it's a nice consistency. I haven't added any oil to this, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it to two of my spares. It's going to be a little messy, but if you want to enjoy something good, you have to avoid the mess, so it's okay. Ignore the mess, not avoid it. Just go round like that, how we did for our sphere cake. Okay, just make sure you're coating the whole mold. Alright, whatever is extra, you have to put it back. Now keep it on the side, and जो भी ये side पर है उसको फटाफट clean करो before it falls down and makes more mess for you. Okay, now because of gravity, what will happen is all the chocolate on the side is going to go on the center and settle down in the center. So what you have to do is, because of which what I told you was कि room temperature पे थोड़ा chocolate लेना है, ताकि अगर ये जल्दी से गर्म होता तो ये बहुत ही नीचे जाने लगता है, एकदम से melt होता. तो इसके लिए आप room temperature पे लोगे, थोड़ा thick है तो आप साइड्स पे और लगा सकते हो, because the sides have to be a little thick in this one since they have to stick to each other. Okay, alright, so what I'm going to do is put them in the freezer for say 5 to 7 minutes, and we'll remove it and coat it second time. So guys, as we can see, our bottom is already thick enough, so I'm not going to put the layer of chocolate again for the bottom. I'm just going to coat this much, like the maybe say 3/4 from almost the bottom, from here till the top, again with chocolate. Okay, so I'm going to use a normal brush, like it's a paint brush. Of course, I use it only for cakes. In fact, this one is a new one, so you can just buy a normal paint brush and use it. Again, you have to remember when you're doing this step, make sure you're using room temperature chocolate. Okay, it is supposed to not be very hard. It is supposed to be liquid, but on room temperature, not hot. And this step is very crucial because you want thick edges. Okay, अगर ये प्रोसेस करते करते थोड़ा सा सेंटर में एक पतला कोट हो भी गया तो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, लाइक एकदम बॉटम पे. बट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको अवॉइड करना है बहुत सारा डालने के लिए, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा भी अपने को थिकनेस नहीं चाहिए बॉटम पे. वी नीड टू पुट अदर स्टफ इन द बॉबल, राइट. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट सेटिंग नाउ, बिकॉज नीचे का जो लेयर था चॉकलेट का वो एनीवे ठंडा था. अब मैं इसको वापस फ्रीजर में डालूंगी 5 से 7 मिनट, एंड देन वील डीमोल्ड दिस. Okay, by the time that chocolate comes out, we have our hazelnut which is already roasted ready over here. We chopped it and kept it. This is our Nutella. Okay, and we have one Ferrero Rocher. If you want, you can put 2 Ferrero Rochers, but बाकी सारी चीज़ें भी थोड़ी कम हो जाएंगी. We have taken this cocoa powder from Cadbury. मैंने ऑलरेडी छान के रखा है पूरा, बहुत थोड़ा सा बचा था तो मैंने पूरा छान लिया. ठीक है, ये अनस्वीटेंड है. एंड यहाँ पर हमारी आइसिंग शुगर है जिसको हमने छाना हुआ है. सेम छन्नी में छाना था, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा कोको पाउडर दिख रहा होगा इसमें, बट दिस इज द नॉर्मल प्लेन आइसिंग शुगर. ओके, आई वुडंट सजेस्ट टेकिंग कैस्टर शुगर और अ थिक शुगर, ग्रैन्युलेटेड शुगर, बिकॉज वो मेल्ट होने में टाइम लेगा, तो इसके लिए आइसिंग शुगर विल बी ईजियर. ओके, सो नाउ वील डीमोल्ड दिस. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज वेरी जेंटली pull it from all the sides, all the edges. Okay, very gently, guys. And okay, keep this on the side and do it for the second one with very gentle hands, because this is very delicate. And what you have to do is basically just ये उंगलियों से, like from behind, you just have to push it very slow. So what I'm doing is I'm using these two fingers over here. I'm using these two fingers here and pushing it upwards. Alright, so our one sphere is almost ready. Now we'll fill this in. Before that, what I'll do is I'll just chop off the sides, excess chocolate, very gently. And since आप अपने हाथों के साथ काम कर रहे हो, you have to be very quick, because your hands का heat will transfer onto chocolate and it will start melting. Alright, now what we'll do is, first we'll fill in the sphere. Since I've already chanoed it, I'm going to put almost 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder in this, 1 teaspoon of icing sugar. Chocolate is already sweet, but this one is a little bitter, so we're putting 1 teaspoon of icing sugar. We're going to go ahead and add some hazelnuts. Remember, these are roasted, so they won't taste kacha. So remember to always roast your nuts whenever you're using it for cakes or whatever. This can go completely, like पूरा ball अगर fit हो जाता है तो पूरा डाल दो, and थोड़ा सा Nutella भर दो. Now what you'll do is, इसको आप इसमें डाल दो, चॉकलेट को, जिसमें न्यूटेला भरा उसमें कुछ भी नहीं डाल के, उसमें बस आपको चॉकलेट को कोट करना है पूरा. एंड देन अगर लगता है कहीं से खुला छूटेगा तो just take a small brush again and brush it on the sides, like how we did for our sphere cake, just like that. You will anyway be decorating this, so don't worry on that. And immediately you can put it in the fridge or the freezer to cool it down. हल्का सा हेज़लनट्स चाहिए तो लगा दीजिए, थोड़े और क्रश कर दोगे तो बेटर लगेंगे. I'm putting it in a bowl and putting it in the fridge to set for like 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, I have my white Morday compound ready here. Okay, it is melted. I have my Fab का mint essence over here. It is oil based. ठीक है, just 2-3 drops. Do not add too much essence to your chocolate because it might become bitter and weird tasting. Okay, this one is a very delicious one. It has peppermint in it and it gives that typical holiday feeling. Okay, and it's kind of my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and coat my Geo hearts with this, and we'll see what else we add inside. Just take another thick brush and coat everything around. ज़्यादा मेल्ट नहीं करना है ये वाइट चॉकलेट को, बिकॉज वो वापस ग्रेविटी की वजह से नीचे बीच में पुल होगा, साइड्स पे नहीं चिपकेगा. तो नेवर माइंड, यू हैव टू डू 2 or 3 coats in Geo hearts. Okay, I usually do 2 coats of chocolate on the sides also, but let's see how it goes today. Since बहुत ही पतला है तो I may do 3. Let's see how it goes. अभी सेम हमने जिससे पहले कैसे चॉकलेट वापस डाल दिया था मोल्ड में, सॉरी बोल में, See, it was so thin, तो नीचे का पूरा ही निकल गया. But never mind. We'll, as I said, we'll do 3 coats. तो हल्का सा इसको सेंटर में कोटिंग देते हैं. Okay, so our first coat heart is out. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the second coat. Again, pour a little chocolate. And since our first coat is cold, you have to be a little quick and coat the sides as well. Make sure your chocolate is not hot, otherwise it will start melting the bottom layer. Cover all the edges. This is why I like using brush. Okay, be a little quick. Now since it's already cold and it's already set, मैंने second layer डाला, वो भी set हो गया, तो मैं उसके ऊपर ही जाके third layer भी एक quickly डाल दूँगी. This is done. It's almost set. Now what I'll do is I'll keep it in the freezer for 2 minutes, remove it and fill in with stuff that we have planned to. So I have these colorful marshmallows available. I'm gonna just chop them into halves and keep them ready. So it's been only 2 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly first peel this off. Again, this is very, very delicate. With very delicate hands you have to do this. Once that's done, just make sure all the edges are clean like before. Okay, so since this is a small heart, we are going to go ahead with 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Since it's white chocolate, maybe half teaspoon of sugar and a few marshmallows. Now this is going to be a difficult task to stick these two, but we have to do it. Take your white chocolate. I haven't melted it. It is on room temperature melted consistency. Alright. So I'm going to stick it, like I'm going to put the white chocolate on the marshmallow wala heart. Quickly. And go ahead and stick these two. If you think it's going to be open from the sides and everything will come out, quickly go ahead and coat the edges as well. And then run your fingers over it. And your heart is ready. I'm going to put this in the fridge for say around 5 to 10 minutes and remove it and decorate it.
In the one-horse sleigh, giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock.
So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. और आप अगर यहाँ पर नए हैं तो मैं बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाती रहती हूँ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स एंड रेसिपीज पर, स्पेशली एगलेस बेकिंग. सो आई होप यू लाइक्ड इट. और हाँ, प्लीज़ ये अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर करना, because this is, I think, very good to make it at home, and you can easily just make it at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again.